In the humid, hot, sun-heated air of equatorial Africa lies the Samsung Galaxy J5 Pro that has taken one too many a fall. And here on the operating table, the J530 awaits a restorative operation that seeks to restore its display and therefore relevance in society. It is a straightforward procedure that restores. It is a straightforward procedure that necessitates removing the old screen, which we have already done, and providing a new screen which we now have in our possessions. That's because locally we are able to acquire replacement screens. Now the beauty is that right now what you see before you is the old screen still, or the top layer of the old screen having removed it, but that is not part of this procedure. Now let's commence the restorative refurbishing of this legendary budget phone from the past long gone. Here we are with you, hoping that you shall find this video helpful. Now let's dive right in it and get this phone back to winning ways. And as you're here, feel free to hit the subscribe button and watch as many videos as you can, and please hit the subscribe button and keep returning. Now the Samsung J5 Pro, or the J530, is rather a very simple phone to do a screen replacement upon. The removal of the screen simply involves heating the peripherals and ripping it out, and then unplugging the connector that is usually held down by a lock plastic mechanism. Now we are going to simply put this phone together by placing in this new replacement screen. Now I already tested that replacement screen, and therefore there is no longer the need for me to test it again, but rather I am going to simply proceed to apply adhesive on this surface as usual. As the routine is always, we do that on both surfaces, that of the screen and that of the frame of the phone. Now let's get to it. Before getting to it, I had to confirm that this lock mechanism that locks in the screen is available, and that I didn't leave it behind. So let's get right in. We are here and we are going to apply adhesive first on the frame of the phone, which is around here, and I am tempted to want to clean the camera before I proceed, and let me do that. That was sufficient, and we begin off. Now these portions might have to take a generous amount of adhesive, and you might have noticed from the previous videos that I fancy the E8000 because of its strong strength on setting. And having said that, we rotate it and also apply it to the lower part. Now this is a little more fluid than the old adhesive that I had, which I had used for coming to over a year, and had started to become a little more solid in nature. Now we need to run this adhesive around the peripheral, so right there. Now being careful enough to make sure the entire area has received sufficient adhesive, and then we go along to this other side. Now after having placed adhesive around the peripherals, we normally give it about 5 to 10 minutes to gain the initial strength before we put them together and bind them to never be separated. Alright, so we put also on the peripheries of the phone's screen, and all along that edge on that. Now we bring it there like that, all over there. And a screen replacement is usually rather a straightforward process. without too much trouble to it. And having done that, I need to pick off this piece of strip paper that shouldn't be there, and then relating with this, I need to know which areas I should add adhesive. Right there, that should be alright, and then all that should receive adhesive, and then a bit of here, and then a bit of here. Now, seeing that this phone opens from underneath the screen, it is not wise to err in any way that you need to remove the screen to fix the lower thing. Now we need to peel off this lower transparent thing. It's not supposed to be here. I hope there's adhesive around here, because on the older screen there was something of the sort. And always be certain that there's no debris in between the frame and the display. So right now I'm trying as much to make sure that this thing of that kind stays there. Alright, welcome back to Phone Lookout. Hit the subscribe button and be certain to share. I am trying to peel off that plastic, that adhesive, sorry, that protective layer of polythene, and for some reason I don't know why they didn't provide a pulling tab for it, so I have to find ways of getting into it and then pull that out like that. Meanwhile, let's get our timer and time the 15 minutes that we actually need here. I think I shall put some little adhesive around there, just as a supportive adhesive, but that's when I'm going to place these two together. So hit the subscribe button and share, like, and let's get this Samsung J5 Pro back to winning ways. Alright, so 5 minutes have elapsed and I have ended the clock. Now let's bring the two together and call it a day as we get this Samsung J5 Pro to working ways. And that means we are going to plug this into the socket right there, align it and squeeze it down. Now do not forget to put the lock. That helps with this remaining tight, and so it goes in that direction. And is it, I keep forgetting, is it supposed to go in this way? I think it should go in that way. Yeah, at times it is a bully, and yeah, that's right. Now I'm going to put some adhesive right here, just to provide for some extra support under. And this one I am going to place them together immediately, because I need it to be fluid such that our things align immediately. Now bring the front and align it. I see some bit of strand trying to go between my camera lens. Okay, where do I see it from? I think it is under here. Clear that. Alright, now we place it and bring all the other portions right down to it. This gets in right there nicely, and then now we bring our threads to clamp this down. But let's hit the power button and see what we have. Oh, it was already on. Alright, and that just slipped. So I have to unlock. I do not have the pattern, so I'm just going to use that to test the touch, and yeah, we are good to go. So let me just tie it and then give it 24 hours to dry, and that will be it. And just like that, we have our J5 Pro Samsung ready to tackle the hot, humid air of tropical Africa, Uganda in particular. See you in the next video. Share.